So now we've got the timber marked, we're going to use the saw to cut the timber length. So we've got to mark 300mm. That's the piece we want, so this is the waste side. So you always cut on the waste side of the line. So when he's cutting it, he's going to cut on this side of the line. You do a demonstration now. So when you first start using the saw, basically you're going to draw the saw back 2 times. And once you've got a groove, you start using the saw to cut the length. That's it. When he's using the saw as well, if you're cutting it to length, always use the bench hook, so when you cut it through, you're cutting it into the bench hook and not into the bench. Also, when you're holding the saw, you always must remember to have your index finger sticking out that, because basically, with that finger, you can control the saw and using it. Never hold the saw like that, always with the index finger.